Nuheek has two main specifications of high-voltage cables, 75 kV and 90 kV. 75 kV high-voltage cable is suitable for 125 kV X-ray tube. 90 kV high-voltage cable is suitable for 150 kV X-ray tube. Nuheek high-voltage cables have different specifications for wire length. Our standard specifications are 1 m, 6 m, 10 m and so on. They can also be customized according to customers' requirements. Our minimum standard line length is 1 m. For 75 kV high-voltage cable, it can be used for our 500 ml X-ray machine, and also for our popular product U-arm. It depends mainly on the specifications of the X-ray tube, so if you want an accurate quotation for high-voltage cable, you need to tell us what specifications your X-ray tube is, and what is the length of the wire you need, and that's the amount you need. If you have this need, please feel free to contact us.